Samsung is getting ready to launch the Galaxy S26 Ultra in early 2026, while Apple has already dropped the iPhone 17 Pro Max for this year. Both are top-tier flagships, promising power, innovation, and style, but which one will dominate 2026? Let's break down the main differences between them. Design and build. Galaxy S26 Ultra won't change much in looks compared to the S25 Ultra. Samsung is sticking to the rounded corner design it introduced recently, giving the phone a sleek, modern look. It's likely to be made from titanium, though Samsung could switch to aluminum since Apple has already made that move. Apple's iPhone 17 Pro Max, on the other hand, now features an aluminum unibody design instead of titanium. The reason is to reduce cost and manage heat better. The new-to-tone look with a glossy glass back matches Apple's liquid glass design style. One standout feature, the iPhone, is its huge and wide camera island at the back, often called the camera plateau. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S26 Ultra will remain slightly thinner and keep its signature S Pen stylus. It still offers IP68 water and dust resistance, though not the higher IP69K protection. Color choices are also quite distinct. The iPhone 17 Pro Max comes in silver, cosmic orange, and deep blue, while the Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected in black, silver, and burgundy. Samsung's displays have always been class-leading, and the S26 Ultra is no exception. It will feature a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED-to-X panel with even higher peak brightness up to 3000 nits, compared to 2600 nits on the S25 Ultra. This means it matches Apple's display brightness and rivals Google's Pixel 10 Pro. Thanks to a new OLED filter, the display will offer better clarity and power efficiency. Samsung might also introduce an eye-powered privacy mode that narrows viewing angles to protect on-screen content from prying eyes. Apple's iPhone 17 Pro Max also improves on brightness and reflection control. It uses multiple anti-reflective coatings to reduce glare. Though Samsung's coating has historically been slightly better. As usual, the iPhone relies on Face ID for security, while the Galaxy S26 Ultra keeps its ultrasonic fingerprint scanner built into the screen. Performance and software. Powering the Galaxy S26 Ultra is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor, built on a 3nm process. This next-gen chip promises faster performance and better power efficiency. The made-for Galaxy version may be slightly overclocked, giving Samsung users an extra performance boost. Graphics power is expected to improve by around 30%, along with faster RAM and upgraded Wi-Fi 7 support. Apple's iPhone 17 Pro Max runs on the A19 Pro chip, another 3nm powerhouse. It's also the first iPhone with a vapor chamber cooling system for better thermal performance. The A19 Pro offers top-tier speed and stability, making the performance battle between these two very close. Both phones are expected to have 12GB RAM and storage options ranging from 256 GB to 1 TB. Apple goes one step further with a massive 2 TB variant, though it will come with a hefty price tag. Camera. Samsung is giving the Galaxy S26 Ultra a modest camera upgrade. The main camera will reportedly have a larger 1.1-inch to 100-megapixel sensor, an improvement over the previous 1.3-inch version. The bigger sensor should deliver better light capture, richer details, and more natural depth. However, the rest of the camera setup may stay the same, with improvements expected mainly through software optimization. Apple's iPhone 17 Pro Max sticks with its triple camera system, but adds a 48-megapixel telephoto lens. It now offers a 4-optical zoom lens that can extend to near 8 quality using in-sensor cropping. This change aims to improve portrait shots that didn't perform as well in the previous model. Battery and charging. Battery life has long been a key battleground. The Galaxy S26 Ultra will still carry a 5000 mAh battery, unchanged for years. While this capacity once led the market, competitors including Apple have caught up and surpassed it. Apple's iPhone 17 Pro Max packs a 5088 mAh battery, the biggest ever in an iPhone. Thanks to Apple's tight integration of hardware and software, it delivers exceptional endurance. Where Samsung strikes back is charging speed. The S26 Ultra is rumored to support 60-watt wired charging, faster than the previous 45-watt limit. Wireless charging will include Qi to magnetic attachments, possibly reaching to 5-watt. Apple improves too, bumping wired charging to 40-watt and MagSafe wireless charging to 25-watt. Both phones push boundaries, but in different ways. The Galaxy S26 Ultra refines the Android experience with a brighter display, faster chip, improved camera sensor, and quicker charging. The iPhone 17 Pro Max focuses on efficiency, design, and camera refinement with Apple's usual polish. If staying within Apple's ecosystem, the iPhone 17 Pro Max remains unbeatable. But for those seeking flexibility, performance, and value in 2026, the Galaxy S26 Ultra might be the better overall choice. Both are elite devices, but it seems Samsung is gearing up to make the next flagship battle one of the most exciting yet.